To Interior Design YouTube channel. Today we will explore modern powder room design ideas that will transform your small space into a stylish oasis. After your living room and dining room, the powder room is where your guests are mostly likely to go. Powder room design can ideas usually reflect depth of the homeowners. As much of your powder room should be beautiful and reflective of your personality, it should also be comfortable, convenient, and adequately fitted and furnished. One design idea that's gaining popularity is incorporating bold geometric patterns into the powder room, whether it's through interceptly tried floors or eye-catching wallpaper. Geometric patterns add a contemporary touch and create a visually captivating environment covered with sleek fixtures and minimalistic accessories. This design approach exudes elegance and sophistication for those who prefer a more glamorous aesthetics. Will explore powder rooms with a touch of opulence, pictures, walls adorned with shimmering metallic tiles, mirrored fishes, and crystal challenges that exclude glamour and create a sense of grandeur. This luxurious style is perfect for those looking to make a statement and leave a lasting impression on their guests. In addition to the aesthetics, we will dive into space-saving solutions that maximize functionality without compromising style. Clever, strong options such as floating shelves or built-in cabinets help keep the powder room organized and culture-free. We will also showcase compact fixtures and innovative layouts that make the most of limited space, allowing you to create a stunning powder room even in a small area. Thank you for watching. For the latest and trending interior design, must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.